guys, welcome back to my channel. So a little while ago I asked on Instagram if you had any good ideas for a DIY. And one of the responses was something with lights. So lights can be a lot of things, so I thought of 3 DIYs and I've got the first one on my table that I'm going to show you. So for this first DIY I've got my embroidery hoop and I've also got some skewers and I am going to glue them on here and make some kind of pattern. I don't know which pattern yet, and I am going to cut them with my big scissors and glue them down with my strong glue. And then I've got some of these lights that I'm going to put in between, and I think this will be very fun to do and very pretty in the end. For this DIY, I've got this little basket and I thought of making a lamp out of it, and I'm going to do it with this light, and it has a remote and it can be different colors, red, green, whatever you like. And I'm going to glue this down here, and then this basket will be like this, and then I've got some wire that I'm going to put on the top here, and when the wire is done I can use this thread to hang it up somewhere. So for this DIY, the curtain rings are making a comeback. So my idea is, I'm going to make 2 things. And the idea is, I'm going to try to show you, this is not easy, to glue this down like this with my stronghold glue. And then when that's done, I'm going to paint them in this pretty petrol blue color. And then in the end, I am going to put the candles in the middle, something like this. And then this DIY will be done. Now thank you guys so much for watching this special lights DIY, and I really hope you liked it. And if you do, please push the like button. You can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. So lights is a very... So I've thought of three. And I am going to glue this one. Oh no, it's a push button. No! Stop! No! No!